In this video we have listed best whey protein in India. Our first product in our list is Ultimate Nutrition Whey. So sensation and features of this product are as follows. 93% protein in each serving. Low temperature processing system. Enhances insulin efficiency and metabolism. Enhances body immune system. Second product in our list is Optimum Nutrition Gold, and main features of this product is Ultra Filtered Whey Protein. Contains 5.5 grams of BCAA and 6 grams of glutamic as well as glutamine. Suitable for lean muscle building. Enhances body immune system and brain functions. Third product in our list is NitroTech Nitro, and features of this product are scientific whey formula and high quality creatine. Low fat and sugar. Good for losing body weight. Suitable for enhancing muscle size and strength. Fourth product of our list is Ultimate Nutrition Prostar, and cool features of this product is high quality isolate and whey protein concentrate. Only 1 gram of fat and sugar. One serving offers 25 grams of protein and 6 grams of branched chain amino acids. Last product of the list is Optimum Nutrition Gold, and features are: it contains the combination of ultra-filtered whey protein concentrate and whey protein isolate. Contains leucine, valine, and isoleucine. Features 4 grams of protein and 4 grams of glutamic and glutamine. For more information visit to www.apolloedoc.co.in.